10 crazy inventions that will drive you insane. There's no doubt that some of the best inventions are the ones that make our lives easier. But what about the inventions that have the potential to drive us insane? From the Hydrojet that gives you an immense shower to a GDU O2 that is a personal portable drone, here are 10 crazy inventions that will question your sanity. Number 10. Hydrojet. With a Hydrojet, you can enjoy a powerful and invigorating shower with water pressure that is up to 2 times higher than a standard shower head. The Hydrojet is perfect for those who want to save time in the shower and get clean quickly. With its turbocharged design, the Hydrojet can provide a strong and steady stream of water that will help to remove dirt and grime quickly. The Hydrojet also comes with a replacement hose, bracket, and cotton filters so that you can keep it looking like new. Number 9. Fishing Rod Slingshot. Slingshot fishing is a new and exciting way to fish. It's a great way to get your fish without having to use a rod and reel. This type of fishing is done with a slingshot, which is a small handheld device that launches an arrow or dart at the fish. The slingshot is then attached to a fishing line, which is used to reel in the fish. Slingshot fishing is a great way to catch fish of all sizes, from small fry to large trophy-sized fish. It's also a great way to get your fish without having to use bait. This type of fishing is ideal for those who want to avoid using live bait and those who want to save money on bait. Number 8. Netina Shoes. Ever feel like your shoes are just too heavy? Well, now there's a solution. Netina Shoes are the world's first levitating shoes, and they're perfect for anyone who wants to lighten their load. These shoes utilize patented technology that allows them to levitate off the ground, making them incredibly lightweight. And because they don't have any contact with the ground, they're also super comfortable. So if you're looking for a shoe that's both light and comfortable, Netina Shoes are a perfect choice. So what are you waiting for? Order your pair of Netina Shoes today. Number 7. Fingerbot Sense. What if your fingers could talk to you? That's the idea behind Fingerbot Sense, a wearable device that attaches to your fingertips and allows you to interact with them using sensors. The device has been designed to work with a variety of email providers, including Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook.com. Fingerbot Sense will be available in 2 different models, one for right-handed users and one for left-handed users. The device consists of 2 parts, a ring that goes on your finger and a small box that attaches to your email account. The ring has sensors that detect when you're touching your emails, and the box translates those inputs into commands that are sent to your email provider. For example, if you want to delete an email, you can simply touch the email with your Fingerbot Sense equipped finger, and the device will send a command to your email provider to delete the message. Number 6. MOPTro PICK. MOPTro PICK is a solution for picking in narrow aisle spaces that features bi-directional navigation. This makes it ideal for use in areas with limited space, such as warehouse aisles. The MOPTro PICK can easily navigate obstacles and safely pick up items from shelves without needing a human operator. This makes it an ideal solution for busy warehouses and factories. The MOPTro PICK is a versatile solution that can be used in a variety of applications. It can be used to pick orders, stock shelves, or even clean floors. The MOPTro PICK is also equipped with a camera and sensors that allow it to avoid obstacles and safely navigate around people and other objects. The MOPTro PICK is an affordable solution that can help improve productivity in your warehouse or factory. It's a versatile, safe, and easy-to-use solution that can help you get the job done faster and easier. Number 5. Arduino Explorer Rover. Arduino Explorer Rover is a versatile rover robot that can be used to traverse various types of terrain. The robot is equipped with an Arduino microcontroller, which allows it to be programmed for different tasks. For example, the rover can be programmed to navigate through rough terrain, avoid obstacles, and even collect data from its surroundings. The possibilities are endless with the Arduino Explorer Rover. One great thing about the Arduino Explorer Rover is that it's very easy to use. All you need is a computer with an internet connection and the Arduino IDE integrated development environment installed on it. With these, you can start programming the rover right away. If you're new to programming, don't worry. The Arduino IDE is very user-friendly and plenty of online resources can help you get started. Number 4. Reza Baluchi Water Balloons. Reza Baluchi, an Iranian-born American, is the inventor of the water balloon. The water balloon is a device that allows people to walk on water. It's made of a flexible material filled with water and sealed. The user wears the balloon like a backpack and can then walk across bodies of water. The water balloon has been used by the military, police, and fire departments to rescue people from floods and other bodies of water. It has also been used by athletes to train for marathon swimming competitions. Additionally, the device can be used for entertainment purposes such as water balloon fights. Baluchi came up with the idea for the water balloon while he was training for a marathon swim competition. He wanted to find a way to make it easier to train for the competition, and he thought that if it could walk on water, it would be much easier. He experimented with different materials and finally came up with the idea of using a flexible material that could be filled with water and then sealed. The water balloon was first introduced to the public in 2007 and has been sold in stores since then. It's available in different sizes, and the largest size can hold up to 10 gallons of water. It's also available in different colors, including clear, blue, and green. Number 3. CLIU. We know that feeling all too well. You step out of the house all geared up to take on the day. You have your power outfit on, your lip color poppin', and your confident strut ready to go. But then you remember you have to wear a mask. Your whole mood changes in an instant, no more feeling like Wonder Woman. But what if there was a mask that actually made you feel good about wearing it? That's where CLIU comes in. Our reusable, sustainable mask is not only good for the environment, it's actually stylish too. Plus, our interchangeable filters means you can customize your level of protection. And because we believe that transparency is key, our innovative technological masks are completely transparent, so you can breathe easy and look good doing it. Number 2. BlazePod. The BlazePod is a high-tech device that helps you stay in shape and improve your fitness. It's a small, portable, and easy-to-use fitness tracker that uses sensors to track your movement and provide feedback on your progress. The device can be worn on your body or placed in your pocket, and it syncs with your smartphone or tablet to provide real-time data on your progress. The BlazePod is more than just a fitness tracker, it's also a virtual coach that gives you personalized tips and advice to help you reach your fitness goals. The device has a built-in microphone and speaker so you can listen to music or audiobooks while you work out, and a built-in heart rate monitor. The BlazePod is water-resistant and has a long battery life, so you can use it for your entire workout. Number 1. GDU O2. The GDU O2 is a personal aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It's designed for easy operation and can be used by anyone regardless of their experience. The GDU O2 has a maximum flight time of 2 hours and a range of 20 miles. It can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and can carry a payload of up to 400 pounds. The GDU O2 is perfect for those who want to experience the freedom of flight without the hassle of traditional aircraft. Additionally, the GDU O2 is also environmentally friendly. It runs on electric batteries, which makes it much quieter than traditional aircraft. This makes it perfect for flying in urban areas without disturbing the peace. The GDU O2 is also very affordable, with a price tag of just $5,000. It's currently available for pre-order and will be released in 2019. If you're looking for a personal aircraft that is easy to use and environmentally friendly, then the GDU O2 is the perfect choice for you. While most of these inventions are still in the prototype phase, it's important to remember that as technology advances, so do the ways we can use it to drive ourselves insane. So the next time you feel a little crazy, don't worry, you're just keeping up with the times.